coming back. See all the chickens we got? Yeah. There is my Silky right there. The one that's going pretty quick and back into the chicken coop. Yeah. Okay. Dad got them all back out. That's fine. They took the picture. There's my Silky. What?
The one old hen just took the other young hen in the ass.
Oh, damn. There's my Silky. There she is. There she is. Oh, my baby girl. Right there all by herself. Beside the brown one. My Silky. Oh, there she goes. Oh, there she goes. There she goes. Alright. Yeah. But that's just a little video of chickens that we have. Oh. Okay. I do flip flops. See, I gotta get out of here. There she is. There she is. There's my Silky. Yeah. Okay. Honey.
What?
Okay. Hold on a minute. I gotta move. My feet are wet. Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I love you.
Love you.
Mwah. Okay.
So I get your pain in the ass moving.
There's the window.